Boosting productivity with a very valuable Claude Code agent. Hello guys, today I wanted to share with you a very quick update about how I've been utilizing Claude Code in order to speed up my building process and also make my life easier. I uploaded a video a few days ago about different features of Claude Code, sub-agents, output styles, command line statuses, etc. And I've been diving deeper into using Claude Code sub-agents. And today I wanted to share with you a sub-agent that I've built. And let me give you a bit of context. So whenever you build an open source project, or even if it's a closed source project, whenever you're using GitHub, you can use GitHub issues in order to track issues. So for example, let's take a look at the Playwright repository. Playwright is it's a library that was built by Microsoft that allows you to do browser automation, testing, etc. But they also have an MCP server, and this specifically is the repository of the MCP server, which I've been trying to utilize in Claude Code, but I've been encountering many errors. Luckily, because it's open source, you can see all the errors over here in the issues tab. So specifically, my error, the error that I've encountered, I think it's somewhere over here. Not necessarily, no, never mind. But in general, you can list your issues. What you can also do, you can also create a project with a Kanban board, which will have all your issues written in a Kanban board or in a table, or however you want to manage this. Now, writing all the issues takes a lot of effort, obviously, and this is why I decided to build a Claude Code agent that will help me with prioritizing the issues, tagging them, and even writing them in a more detailed and comprehensive manner. So let me show you first of all how I did this. So basically, it's very simple. I came to agents and I asked Claude to write a GitHub issue manager agent for me. So you can just do it on your own. All you have to do is provide some details about what you would like to achieve. Obviously, you need to connect your Claude Code to your GitHub user and authenticate. And after you have that, you have the agent description, and this is the agent description. So the name is GitHub Issue Manager. The description: use this agent when you need to analyze, prioritize, or manage GitHub issues and project boards. This includes reviewing issues backlog, suggesting priority rankings, etc. Here are the core responsibilities: analyzing issues backlogs to identify trends, bottlenecks, and critical items, suggesting priority rankings, managing Kanban boards, etc. Here's like information about the authentication, issue analysis framework, so urgency, impact, the effort, the strategic alignment, and the technical dependencies. And then we have the prioritization methodology. So most of this I didn't even write. I just gave the initial prompt, and then Claude generated this agent for me. And the next step was actually utilizing it. So first of all, it did an analysis of the specific repositories that I wanted it to analyze. It created labels based on this, and now we started to label my issues. So let me give you just an example of where we're at the moment. So at the moment, you can see these are already added, and as soon as I'm going to allow this bash command is going to add more labels. So let's add these labels as well. And it's very convenient because at least for me, having all these labels helps a lot. And obviously using someone external and objective to help prioritize and help label the different issues is very valuable. Now it's going to apply labels to medium priority. it's going to apply them. Let's go back to the GitHub page so we see the difference. So as you can see, it was just added. So backend database effort is large, it's a feature, front end, and the priority is medium, and it's ready for development. So this way we're just going to tag everything, and then we can very easily label, filter based on specific stuff. We can add milestone, etc. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to keep on allow it to keep on adding these labels, and this is super valuable in my opinion. Yeah, so basically the sky is the limit when it comes to using Claude Code. You have to responsibly connect it to your tools, and I cannot emphasize this enough. You have to responsibly do this because there are many ways in which systems can be hacked. I just saw the other day a video about prompt injection to what was it? I don't remember. I think it was to OpenAI, but someone created a capability to very easily download all the files from your driver just by sharing a specific file with the end user. They were able to steal a lot of content from the specific drive. So I'm saying that you should leverage Claude Code or any other connectors, any other MCPs or APIs, but you should do this very responsibly because there are many ways to steal your data using prompt injection and other malicious acts. Let me keep on going. Anyway, so that's pretty much the gist for today. Using a Claude Code sub-agent in order to analyze your GitHub repository issues, prioritize, and basically streamline and speed up your whole process of writing and building. If you enjoyed this video, obviously like and subscribe, share your feedback below. I'm welcoming criticism, so if you didn't like anything about the pace or the amount of details or the quality of my mic, anything that comes to mind, just leave it in the comment section because it helps me improve, and this is basically how we progress in life, via criticism. So I welcome any type of criticism. And I invite you to join my newsletter, which is called No Fluff Online. You can just find it by typing nofluff.online. It's a newsletter about AI agents and AI and automations. Every week or so, I just send a few things that I find interesting that I stumble upon, and I hope that they will also be of interest to you. I think I covered everything. I'm going off for a short run right now, and I'll update about more interesting stuff in the upcoming days. So until next time, keep on automating.